Hummingbirds are among the smallest birds in the world, yet they have some of the most powerful abilities in nature. Their wings can flap up to 80 times per second, allowing them to hover in place with perfect control. Unlike most birds, hummingbirds can fly forward, backward, and even upside down for short moments. Their heart beats incredibly fast, reaching more than 1,200 beats per minute during flight. Because they burn energy so quickly, hummingbirds must feed almost constantly during the day. At night, they enter a special sleep-like state called torpor, slowing their metabolism to survive. Some hummingbird species migrate thousands of miles every year, often flying alone across open water. Despite their tiny size, hummingbirds are bold, aggressive, and fiercely protective of their feeding areas. They prove that strength in nature is not about size, but design.